Hi everyone, in this tutorial I am going to explain how we can add images to PowerPoint slides from Insert, Pictures from this device. For example, you have saved pictures. I just find my saved picture and select it, then Insert. Okay, you can move it, just select it and move it. Another way, from Insert, Pictures, Stock Images. There are many images. From stock images, you can select it. Icons, cut out people, stickers. There are many things. For example, I select this one. Insert. Okay. You can move it to the desired location. Also from Insert, Picture, Online Pictures. For example, I selected this birds, or you can search it, for example, books. For example, I selected this one, Insert. That's all. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel.